Hi dear students, welcome to our basic science class. For last few classes, we were discussing our second chapter, Wonders of Visible Light. What we learned in this chapter? Yes, reflection. It is the bouncing back of light rays from a polished surface. And based on the surface on which light falls, reflection are of two types, regular reflection and diffuse reflection. Also, we have discussed about plane mirror. Then, using a plane mirror, we have experimentally analyzed the direction of reflected ray and find that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Today, we are going to see some properties of image formed on a plane mirror. Stand in front of a plane mirror and raise your right hand. In which hand of your image is raised? Yes, in the image on the plane mirror, left hand is raised. Isn't it? What changes occurred to the image? Just think it. Doesn't your right side appear left and your left side appear right on the image? Such a shift in the lateral side of the images in the opposite direction is called lateral inversion. Lateral means from the sides and inversion means inverting something. So, lateral inversion means from the sides inverting something. Once again, when we raise our left hand, the image on the mirror raises its right hand. Our left is the image's right and our right is image's left. So the images in the plane mirror follow left-right reversal. So we can say that the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted. What could be the reason for writing ambulance in this way? Just write ambulance in this way and try to read through a mirror. What do you see? Yes, when you place this in front of a plane mirror, you can read it as ambulance in correct way. Like that, the driver of the vehicle moving in front of the ambulance read it in the correct way by looking through his rear view mirror. It is due to lateral inversion, so that the vehicles can give a way to pass the ambulance. That's why they are written like this. Let's see the other properties of images formed on a plane mirror. Number 1. The size of the image formed is same as that of the size of the object. That is, if the height of this person is 4 feet, then the height of the image is also 4 feet. So we say the size of image is equal to the size of object. Second one, place a mirror perpendicularly on a table. Then place a chessboard and chess piece on it. Look at the position of image. Are they both at the same distance from the mirror? Well, you can count the number of squares in front of each. For here, there are 7 squares in front of the image and object. You can move the chess piece in anywhere on this square board and find out its image is always the same distance from the mirror. So the next property is the distance from the object to the mirror is equal to the distance from the image to the mirror. Also, the image formed on a plane mirror is virtual. The images that are formed behind the mirror are called virtual image. In a plane mirror, we can see our image behind its surface. So we say virtual image is formed on a plane mirror. And the next one, the image formed on a plane mirror is erect. That means if you look at your image on a plane mirror, it is not inverted. Let's summarize the properties of plane mirror. The image formed on a plane mirror is virtual. The image that is formed inside the mirror is called virtual image. In a plane mirror, we can see our face behind its surface. The next property of the image formed on a plane mirror is erect. That is, if you look at your image on a plane mirror, you can't never seen it as inverted. The next property is size of image is same as that of the size of object. That means if the height of the person is 4 feet, then the height of the image of the person which is formed inside the mirror is also 4 feet. The image formed on a plane mirror is not ups and down, but it is laterally inverted. That is, when you raise your left hand, the image on the mirror raises its right hand. Now we came to our last property. The distance from the object to the mirror is equal to the distance from the mirror to the image. There is an activity for you. Experimentally analyze all the properties of plane mirror. See you again. Thank you.